Stop whatever you're doing right now, because what you're about to see is not a normal motorhome. This is not your grandfather's RV. This is not something you've ever seen parked at a campground. This thing looks like it was designed on another planet and accidentally ended up on our highways. Welcome back to RV Life Explore 2026, and today we are doing a full breakdown of the 2026 Toyota Luxury Concept Motorhome. Exterior, interior, performance, and a price reveal at the end that is going to make your jaw hit the floor. Stay with me, this one is worth every second. Let's start outside, because honestly, this motorhome doesn't even need to move to turn heads. The moment this thing rolls into any parking lot, any campground, any highway rest stop, people stop, they stare, they pull out their phones, and you'll understand exactly why. The entire body is finished in a champagne gold and brushed titanium two-tone, a color combination that sits somewhere between a private luxury yacht and a concept car straight off the Geneva Motor Show floor. It doesn't look like something you drive, it looks like something you arrive in. The front of this vehicle features a massive panoramic wraparound windshield that curves almost 180 degrees around the driver's cab. Sitting in that seat doesn't feel like driving an RV, it feels like piloting a spacecraft. The lower body panels are cut with sharp angular lines that flow dynamically from front to rear. This isn't just decoration, this is intentional design language that makes the entire vehicle look like it's moving even when it's standing still. The custom multi-spoke alloy wheels are finished in full chrome, and they are enormous, proportioned perfectly to a vehicle of this size and presence. But here is where things get genuinely insane. Look at the top of this motorhome. There is a full rooftop outdoor terrace deck up there, a real one, with railings, with seating, with a view that would embarrass most five-star hotel balconies. And to get up there, a gold-finished staircase deploys from the side of the vehicle, smooth, solid, and so cinematic that every single time those stairs come out, someone nearby is already filming. This is the moment that goes viral. This is the shot, and Toyota designed it knowing exactly that. The sidewalls extend outward on full slide-out mechanisms, two of them, and suddenly the footprint of this motorhome nearly doubles. You're parked in the middle of nature, and you suddenly have the living space of a Manhattan studio apartment. The engineering required to make that happen inside a vehicle that also drives down a highway at speed is legitimately impressive, and we haven't even walked inside yet. Step through the entry door, and the first thing that hits you is how quiet it is. The outside world disappears. You're standing in a foyer, an actual foyer, with Italian stone-look flooring, cream and gold upholstered wall panels, and a recessed LED lighting system in the ceiling that creates this soft constellation effect across the entire space. This is not an RV interior. This is a designer penthouse that happens to have wheels. The main living area anchors around a full L-shaped sectional sofa in genuine leather with heated cushions and integrated massage functions built right into the seat. Across from it sits a 65-inch 4K smart television on a retractable motorized mount. It disappears into the cabinetry when you don't need it and rises silently when you do. The whole space has automated window shading, surround sound built into the ceiling, and ambient lighting that you control from a single touchscreen panel mounted near the entrance. You can set the mood of this entire living room in about 3 seconds. The kitchen is where Toyota completely refused to cut corners. Full-size induction cooktop, a built-in espresso and coffee system that would not look out of place in a Soho coffee shop, quartz countertops that run the full length of the galley, an undermount sink with brushed gold fixtures. The refrigerator and freezer are separate units. Combined, they give you around 12 cubic feet of cold storage, and the pantry cabinetry has enough room to stock a week of food without breaking a sweat. Every drawer uses soft close hardware. Every cabinet is backlit inside. Even the trash pullout is integrated cleanly behind a panel. The attention to detail in this kitchen is obsessive in the best way possible. The master bedroom in the rear of this motorhome features a full queen-size memory foam bed with an adjustable base. You can raise the head, raise the feet, control the firmness, all from a bedside remote. Overhead is a panoramic skylight window that opens electronically, and when you're parked somewhere remote under a clear sky, that skylight turns this master bedroom into the most peaceful sleeping experience you have ever had in your life. Flanking the bed are floating nightstands with wireless charging pads and soft LED reading lights tucked underneath. The wardrobe runs the full width of the rear wall, with enough hanging and shelf space to pack for a 2-week trip without sacrificing anything. The bathroom sits between the bedroom and the living area, and it is a full wet bath. None of that cramped RV bathroom energy. Walk-in rainfall shower with thermostatic controls, so the water is always exactly the temperature you want before you even step in. Dual vanity sinks, heated towel rack, porcelain tile floors, backlit mirror. This bathroom is cleaner and more luxurious than most people's actual homes, and there is absolutely nothing wrong with saying that out loud. Now let's talk about what's under the hood, because this vehicle is not just beautiful, it moves. Toyota has mounted a hybrid turbo diesel powertrain in this platform, delivering around 450 horsepower with a combined electric assist system that gives it genuinely smooth, quiet highway cruising. Air suspension comes standard, and it makes a difference you can feel immediately. Road imperfections that would rattle a lesser motorhome simply do not register inside this cabin. The ride is composed, confident, and honestly almost eerie in how smooth it is for a vehicle this size. Rear view cameras, 360-degree parking sensors, lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, the full suite of driver assistance technology is present, and it all works seamlessly together. This is a machine that is as capable as it is comfortable. Now we've arrived at the moment you have been waiting for, the price. And look, I'm going to give it to you straight. A fully optioned 2026 Toyota Luxury Concept Motorhome at this spec level is positioned between $850,000 and $1.2 million. I know, but here is the thing. When you break down what you're actually getting, the rooftop terrace, the designer interior, the hybrid powertrain, the slide-outs, the smart home technology, the bedroom skylight, that kitchen, you start to realize this isn't really a motorhome purchase. This is a real estate decision. This is a lifestyle choice. You are buying a home that goes wherever you go, looks better than most homes that don't move, and turns every single road trip into an experience that most people will never have in their entire lives. Drop a comment below and tell me, would you live in this full-time, or is this your weekend escape machine? Because I genuinely want to know. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button right now, because we cover the most insane luxury RVs and motorhomes on the planet every single week right here on RV Life Explore 2020.